Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ariel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys a super fun, easy fall makeup look that I've recently been wearing and I've been loving. So if you want to see how I create this look, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so first things first is I'm going to start with the brows. So I'm going in with a spoolie and I'm just combing through my brows. Super quick, easy. Okay, then I'm going in with the Bobbi Brown eyeshadow in the color Sable, and I'm using a Bobbi Brown eye definer brush, and I'm just filling in my brows. Okay, brows are done. Super quick, super easy. Okay, now I'm gonna prime my face and I'm using the Too Faced Hangover XR primer. Just gonna grab a little bit and dot that all over my face. Okay, just like that. Then I'm gonna go in with the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. I've really been loving this. It's super lightweight but buildable. And since this is a fall look, you know, we still have that like summer glow, so I don't want to put too much coverage on my face. So this is the perfect amount. Then with my Morphe sponge, I'm just blending this into my skin. Okay, now that we're blended, I'm gonna go in with concealer, and I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Just gonna apply a little bit under the eyes and on the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and chin. Okay, now I'm gonna set my face, and I'm using the NYX Studio HD powder. Just gonna set my entire face. I'm gonna be using the Morphe 350 palette. It's one of my favorite palettes. I feel like it's perfect for any time of the year, but especially for fall, just because it has a lot of nice neutrally warm colors and a lot of browns, which I love. So I'm going to be mainly using this color right here. Of course, I'm going to go in with some transition colors up here, but my main focus is this guy right here. That's like the main guy. So first, my eyes are already set because I set them with the powder. I'm going to go in and use like a neutral beigey color and then just apply that on the crease for some dimension. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of a darker, still neutral color, but a little bit darker, just to add more definition. We're in the like warm light beige colors right now, so that's what I'm doing. I'm mixing a couple, just trying to get that warmth back into my eyes. Okay, just like that, nice and warm. Then I'm gonna go in with the first color that I mentioned before. It's like a brownish, reddy kind of. More on the brown side for sure. And I'm adding it to the outer parts of the lid and then just slightly blending up. Oh my god, I love this already. It's so beautiful. Now I'm gonna go in with the same kind of color, just a little bit darker. We're sticking to the same colors over here, just slightly getting darker and darker, again for dimension. Oh, and I'm using the same brush for all this. So this is the Morphe Y19. It's just a great blending brush. I use it for everything, and one brush does it all. I mean, you can totally go in with different brushes, but since they're all like in the same color family, I'm just using the one to make it even easier for myself. So I'm dabbing a little bit and then just adding it to the outer parts of the eye. Blending in circular motions and then just slightly bringing it up. And then I'm gonna go back in with the first color we used. It's a neutrally blendable color. And I'm just grabbing that and just blending all the colors together to make sure that they all look seamless, effortless, and well blended. So looking at both eyes, I feel like this eye needs a little more dimension. So I'm gonna go back in and just add a little more. So like this. Super easy. Then I'm gonna go in with this kind of yellowy orangey color right there. And I'm gonna add that on the lid. Just adding that to the inner part of the lid. And using the same brush, not changing anything, and just dabbing it on the inner part of the lid. Now I'm grabbing a different brush. I'm using the Morphe S21, just like a little fluffy shader brush, and I'm going in with a lighter nude color, like transitional color, but a little bit lighter, and I'm just applying that to the brow bone. Okay, super quick, super easy. Okay, now I'm gonna add eyeliner to my waterline, and I'm just using a black liner, but you can use whatever liner color you like, or if you want to use powder, you totally could. I'm just using liquid because that's just my preference. Super easy. I'm not even doing like a wing or anything. I'm just lining my upper lash line, and then I'm gonna go in with mascara. This is the Lancome Grandiose Mascara. So I'm just gonna apply some mascara. Okay, so I just added some mascara. Now I'm gonna contour and add blush. Okay, so to contour, I'm using the Anastasia Contour Kit in the shade light to medium. I use mine, oh my god, I use mine so much. I'm going in with this color here to contour. I'm using the Morphe, I think it's R13, the name completely rubbed off, so I'm not sure, but just, you know, a contour brush. Grabbing it a little bit, and this doesn't have a mirror. Grab my mirror and contour. Okay, there we go. Now for blush, I'm using MAC's Melba blush. I talk about it all the time. It's like one of my favorite color blushes. Just adding that to the apples of my cheeks. This color is so gorgeous. I love it. Okay, so now for lips, I'm using Morphe Honeymoon lip liner, and I'm using, what is this? ColourPop's something. The name completely wore off, but the color is called Moonchild. Like, I don't know, it's ColourPop something. It's a gloss. So I'm using these guys together. Super cute. So I'm gonna line my lips first. I also filled them in just a little bit. Okay, and I'm gonna add the gloss over top. So just like that. This is my super quick, easy fall makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more. If you have any questions at all, please leave them in the comments below. I'd love to answer them for you guys. So with all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!